Welcome back to Think Sharp Ali. Your daily dose of board exam prep starts now. Here is today's must-know MCQ for class 12. A jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol and a part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol, and now the percentage of alcohol is found to be 26%. So the quantity of whiskey replaced is which of the following option? Now let us understand this. We start with a jar full of whiskey, and based on this problem, this is our dearer ingredient containing an initial alcohol concentration of 40%. Now a part of this whiskey is replaced. This means a specific volume, let's call it volume X, which is removed from the jar. It is then replaced by an equal volume of different whiskey which contains only 19% alcohol. That is our cheaper value. Now after the replacement, the total volume remains the same, but now the new mixture has a final alcohol strength of 26%, which is our mean value. Our goal is to find exactly how much was replaced, so we will use the alligation rule formula we have. Let's substitute all the values. So 40 minus 26, which is 14, and 26 minus 19, that is 7. Upon cancellation, we'll get 2 by 1. Now since the cheaper whiskey was used to replace the original whiskey, the quantity of whiskey replaced is the amount of cheaper whiskey currently in the jar. So the quantity replaced is equal to quantity of cheaper by total quantity, and quantity of cheaper ingredient is 2 parts divided by total quantity, which is 2 plus 1, 3 parts. So answer is 2 by 3. And so the correct option over here is option B. Subscribe to Think Sharp Ali and click that bell icon. Master one question every day. See you tomorrow.